Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from PW and laptop. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Physics Walla platform. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during your lessons. Next, optimize your laptop's display settings for a comfortable viewing experience, perhaps adjusting brightness or resolution. This initial setup ensures you're ready for a smooth and focused study session. Creating the right environment is crucial for effective studying. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed, and ensure you have good lighting to prevent eye strain. An ergonomic chair can make a big difference for long study sessions. Also, close any unnecessary applications or browser tabs to minimize digital distractions and keep your focus solely on your PW content. To truly maximize your learning, engage actively with the material. Take detailed notes as you go, whether you prefer typing them or writing them by hand. Don't hesitate to pause videos to fully grasp complex concepts or to work through practice problems. Summarizing key points aloud can also reinforce your understanding and help you retain information more effectively. For an even better study experience, consider some advanced tips. Learn keyboard shortcuts to navigate the PW platform more efficiently, saving you valuable time. You might also explore browser extensions designed to boost productivity or block distractions. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a fantastic way to keep your study space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.